He needed to make a precise marking on the wood, but every time he did it by eye, the cut ended up slightly misaligned. Small errors were enough to ruin the final fit. So he used a hinge as a marking guide. At first, it seemed like too simple a detail to make any real difference. But once the marking followed the hinge, everything lined up perfectly. The cut fit precisely, and the finish looked much cleaner than before. And the most interesting part is that this is an old carpentry trick. But many people only understand its value when they see it working in practice.